If your iPhone is in silent mode, but it's not vibrating for calls or notifications, don't worry. This quick fix should solve the issue. A lot of users keep their iPhone on silent mode and rely on vibration alerts, but sometimes haptics stop working because of incorrect settings. To fix this, open the Settings app and scroll down to Sounds and Haptics. Now open Haptics and ensure Play in Silent mode is enabled. This setting may not appear on my device due to an older iOS version, but it should be available on yours. After enabling it, test your notifications again. If your iPhone is still not vibrating, go back inside Sounds and Haptics. Now open categories like ringtone or text tone, depending on where vibration is not working. Tap on Haptics or Vibration and make sure it's not set to synchronized or none. Instead, choose one of the standard vibration patterns available on your iPhone. Once selected, go back and test your notifications or incoming calls again. Your iPhone should now vibrate properly in silent mode. If this video helped you fix iPhone vibration not working in silent mode, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone and iOS troubleshooting tutorials.